Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Stella Academy has produced Goa's best results in JEE Main 2024. Register for Stella Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12.
तुमचे प्रश्न,
तुमचे इशू,
तुमचो आशा,
तुमचो आकांक्षा, आमची माझी लोकनामो.
तरी पण म्हाका हँडिकॅप म्हणून म्हयन्याक 2000 रुपया मेळटात आनी एक दीनदयाळ रोजगार योजनेचो गाडो इशू जाला, पण तेका अजून ते लायसनाची बी प्रोसिजर आसा ते अजून पासून जावंक ना. आमचो BJPचो जो कॅन्डिडेट हा भाऊ, तो एक बरो मनीस, तेच्या विरुद्ध केन्नाच खंयच्याच पार्टीन आणि आमच्या BJPच्या सुद्धा पार्टीन तो एक बरो मनीस म्हणून तेची मान्यता आसा. तेच्या विरुद्ध केन्नाच तो एक भ्रष्टाचारी किंवा करप्ट म्हणून तेजो हे ना, नाव लौकीक ना. तो एक स्वच्छ व्यक्तिमत्व म्हणून हे आसा. हँडिकॅप्टाच्यो समस्या म्हणजे कितें आसता, तेका जे कितें आतां समज कसल्यो सुविधा, समज सायकल जाय किंवा आनीक कसले तेजे कडेन हावता जाय, तेका एप्लिकेशन करचें पडटा. तें एप्लिकेशन तेजे कडेन पावता म्हणसर खूब टायम लागता. आतां जो सामान्य आतां जो एक उदाहरण म्हणून एक म्हाजे सारकी जी ट्रायसायकलूच धरा, ती जर आतां हांव एप्लाय करता जाल्यार तेका प्रोसिजर खूब आसा. ती सायकल समज लोकल शॉप विकता तेंच्या कडेन मेळ्ळी किंवा आनीक कसली म्हयन्याचे पयशे येतात ते टायम टू टायम मेळपाक जाय. तांकां वखदां पाणी आसता, ती घरपोच मेळपाक ची वेवस्था जर जाली जाल्यार ती एक बरी आसता. जे कोण हँडिकॅप आसता तांकां जे हँडिकॅप सर्टिफिकेट आसा ते लाँग टर्म करूंक जाय. तांकां 5 वर्सां किंवा 3 वर्सां अशेंच केल्ले आहा.
परत रिन्यू करची पडटा. तांकां परत मागीर ते फावटी मारच्यो पडटा, परत चॅकअप करपाक. परत मागीर ते तो म्हणटा तुका, दोतोर म्हणटा ना तुका अमकेच पर्संट सर्टिफिकेट मेळटलें, तितके पर्संट सर्टिफिकेट मेळचें ना. पर फीस म्हणून जर हांगासर ते जाल्ले, तेका हांव गेल्लो तेन्ना मेडिकल चॅकअप जालें. त्या चॅकअपान म्हाका सांगलें तुका मोटराची सायकल मेळना, कित्याक ते मोटराचे सायकलीक 80% सर्टिफिकेट जाय. म्हाजे कडेन आसा 78% सर्टिफिकेट. दोतोर काय तशें 70 नासतना 70 वाडोवन काय दिवं शकना. पण हांव म्हाका सायकल चलोवंक येता न्ही, पण हांव तेंच्यांनी म्हटलें तुका तशें मेळचें ना. आनी ती सायकल अजून म्हाका आतां हांवें फक्त विदावट मोटर सायकल घेतलेली मागले तेंचे कडेन, पण ती सायकल म्हाजे कडेन आजून येना. ते कितें म्हणटा आमचे कडेन सायकल आहा पण ती एसेंबल करपाक कोण ना. पण ती एसेंबल करपाक कोण मेळटलो तेन्ना तुका आमी धाडून दितली, ती आजून येना.
प्रॉब्लेम म्हणजे मी आता 12वी पास आसा तरी म्हाका नोकरी मेळूंक ना. खूब एप्लाय केलंय मी गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन, तरी म्हाका कांयच मेळूंक ना नोकरी. तर मी आता फुलांचो हार करता आनी विकताय. ल्हानसा म्हाजो एक शॉप आहा ल्हानसो कोरगांव देवळा कडेन कमळेश्वराचे. ते आतां आमकां पयशे 2000 येतात, ते कितें तरी वाडोवन दिवपाचे गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां. आनीक 1000 तरी वाडोवन दिवपाचे अशें म्हाजें हें आसा अपेक्षा. आनी म्हाका एक आतां पंचायती आसा, इतके पंचायती गोंयान, तेतून एक रिजर्व सीट हँडिकॅपाक पंचायतीक दिवपाची.
Government is only creating bad by electing all these people who are not helping and supporting. I am being handicapped. I work myself, but government should give something, but nothing is happening. And then now there is no safety, because now murders, rape cases, there is no law. People have money and they are buying the law. No, there is no help. There is no help. Help is there, but very, very less. Very, very less. But the people now, government should realize now what is good for Goans and what is better for Goans. Now the thing is that I go, because then they ask, bring this card, bring that card, bring this thing, that thing, which I can't do. But I myself am suffering a lot of things. In fact, my niece, she's supposed to get a government job. They're asking 50 lakhs from her. She's a handicap, and her father was a government servant. She should get immediately a government job, and they're asking money for her. From where she'll get the money? She said, forget it. I don't want to get a job. Now she got married and she's very happy. At any cost, they should be happy. And we, especially Goan people, should be happy every day. And there should be no murders, rape cases. There should be a good law, immediate law. In fact, now, 10 days back, my brother has been banged by one woman, driving on the mobile phone. And then she's complaining, I will go to the court. You're driving and you're almost killed my brother, and you're giving us dhamki that you're taking my brother. So there's no proper law order. You can buy a law. If you only have money, you can buy the law. This should not happen. This should not happen. Today is my brother, tomorrow there will be somebody else. So there's no proper law in Goa. People are getting scared. People know, so many people want to come to Goa. But there's no proper law. There's no scary. Goa becomes scary.
At present, there are lots of pending issues which the persons with disability are facing, and we have been taking it up time to time with the government. But unfortunately, there has not been much of a response from the present state government. The issues that are pending are the accessibility of public buildings. Then the second one is increase in pension from the 2,500 that they are giving for the last 10 years. And the third one we would like to highlight is unemployment. So these three issues have been pending for a long time. Issues of persons with disability have been pending. So even at the national level now, the disability sector has come out with a special manifesto, because many political parties have been neglecting persons with disabilities in their manifestos. So at the national level, we have come out with a special manifesto highlighting the issues of persons with disabilities. And in this manifesto, we have said that they should allocate 5%, government should allocate 5% of their budget, especially for persons with disability. Secondly, we have said accessibility of public buildings should be done within a period of 3 years, and the disability pension should be increased to 5,000 per month. There are also other issues that accessibility, we want public buildings should be made accessible within 3 years, okay, and we want inclusive education also to be followed with a lot of focus on it. The Goa government has done a good thing by opening a separate department for the empowerment of persons with disabilities. But I think lots more has to be done by the Goa state government for the empowerment of persons with disabilities. For example, there should be a reservation at in the assembly for persons with disabilities, and even at the panchayat and municipal levels, we should have nominations of persons with disabilities, so that disabled persons can have a voice, disabled persons can raise their issues at the panchayat level and the assembly level.
आमकां डॉक्टर 24 hours सोडून नाल्यार एवरीडे तरी मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग आसूंक जाय, पूण अजून जायना ते आमचे MLA फाटल्याच्यान राजे फक्त असेंब्ली बसून उलयल्लो की आमकां 24 आमचे एटलीस्ट 24 hours एवरीडे आसूंक जाय म्हणून, इंस्टेड ऑफ मंडे वेनसडे फ्रायडे एवरीडे तो अजून कांय जायना. सो हांव इतलेंच मागता आमचे MP श्रीपाद भाऊ कडेन आनी राजेश फळदेसाय की आमकां एक डॉक्टर दवरचो आनी म्हज्या हॉलांक सर्वीस एक दिवची घरा कडेन केन्नाय इमर्जन्सीक जाय पळय. आतांच यो म्हूण ना, कित्याक मेल्यार कोणें इमर्जन्सीक आपयता, पूण आतांच यो म्हणना, पूण एटलीस्ट लोक जालो म्हणटा एक मेसेज धाडूं की ओके जेरी आय कम आफ्टर दीस म्हूण, इतलेंच मागता. आनी आमकां एक हॉस्पिटल म्हणजे आसत जाल्यार हॉस्पिटल तें बरें जाता तेन्ना म्हणून येता न्ही, पूण डॉक्टरूच आमकां मंडे टू सॅटर्डे कंपल्सरी जाय. हांव CM कडेन उलोवंक मागता स्ट्रेट, आनी आमकां हेल्थ मिनिस्टरा कडेन मागता की आमकां हांगसर डॉक्टर एकदम बरो आहा, ओके, आमच्याच गांवाचो तो, ताका 10 वर्सां जालीं म्हूण आयकलो, ऑलमोस्ट 10 वर्सां आमच्या गांवानूच आहा तो. पूण हांव कितें रिक्वेस्ट मागता की बरो डॉक्टर तो, एकदम बरो 8 घंटाचो बरो आहा, पूण आमकां मंडे टू सॅटर्डे दवरचो म्हूण, इतलेंच मागता कितें. आनी म्हज्या हॉलाक डिजेबलाक आमच्या घरा येवन केन्ना इमर्जन्सी जाय तेन्ना म्हाका येवन पोवचो म्हूण.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.